Hello guys, my name is Joshua, welcome back to Scrapeit. As you can see, we are currently on the highway, Dennis is driving. And we are driving to Bonn, it's a German city, and we are going to pick up a subwoofer for my beautiful Polo. We got to drive for about an hour and a half now, and then we will pick it up, drive to the Scrapeit HQ, and then we will build it into my car and hope it works. Okay guys, so we drove for about 90 minutes now. We picked up the sub, power amp is underneath the seat. Now we're gonna head to the supermarket, buy some food, and then we're going to head to the Scrapeit HQ, and then we're going to put this in my beautiful Polo, which we also gotta pick up now. What's up guys? So, it's the next day, we picked up the subwoofer and we already did some cabling right over there. Well, it's not pretty, but we just wanted to look to see if the subwoofer even works. It works perfectly, but yeah, now we're gonna set the cables right so they don't show. And we got this power cable which needs to go through the car to the front to the battery. So we gotta look to find a way to get it there. That will be pretty much pain. But let's see how it goes.
Yeah, so we got this thing off, and this thing where the lever is for the foot, so we can get the cable through here. And Josh is trying to demount the how the fuck you call it?
Wiper. Nothing's moving there. I don't know how to. No. So we finally got it.
Yeah, we got the wipers off. Josh is going down there.
I'm going down here to check if on the corner up here is a spot where we can get the cable through. So I gotta check this. Yeah, I don't see shit. Okay guys, so we installed the subwoofer. As you see, we screwed the amp to the subwoofer. Then we put the cable through here. That's why seats are missing. Goes through here, up here, and then it comes out over here, and then it's attached to the battery. We tested it and it sounds pretty clean. Yeah, now we gotta adjust everything back together, and we finished finally after 2 days of work. Okay, let's go. Alright,